Today I will discuss about the concentration of solution and the various methods of concentration. They are percentage strength, molarity, molality and normality and their problems. In the next video I will discuss about the other methods of concentration. They are formality, concentration in gram per liter, mole fraction, ppm and their relation and problems. What is concentration of solution? It is a measure of the amount of solute that has been dissolved in a given amount of solvent or solution. Concentrated and diluted solution have been discussed in the previous video of solution. Methods of expressing of concentration. The methods are percentage strength, molarity, molality, normality, formality, concentration in gram per liter, mole fraction and ppm. Number 1. Percentage strength. The percentage of the solution that is composed of the solute can be determined by one of the three ways. A. Mass percentage W by W, B. Volume percentage V by V, C. Mass by volume percentage, that is W by V. What is mass percentage? When the concentration is expressed as the percent of one component in the solution by mass, it is called mass percentage. Suppose a solution consists of two components, solute A and solvent B, then mass percentage of A equals to mass of solute A in the solution by total mass of the solution, that is A plus B whole into 100. Suppose a solution is prepared by dissolving 25 gram of sugar into 100 gram of water. Thus the mass of solution will be the mass of solute plus the mass of solvent equals to 25 plus 100, that is 125 gram. The percentage by mass would be calculated as follows. Percentage by mass equals to mass of solute A in the solution by total mass of the solution into 100 equals to 25 gram by 125 gram into 100% equals to 20% of sugar. It is commonly used in the industrial chemical applications. As it is the ratio of masses, it is independent of temperature. Now, what is volume percentage? It is expressed as the percentage of one component in the solution by volume. Volume percentage of A will be volume of solute A in the solution by total volume of the solution into 100. Let me give an example of it. 15% ethanol solution in water means that 15 ml of ethanol is dissolved in water and the total volume of the solution is 100 ml. Solutions containing liquids are commonly expressed in this unit. It is dependent on temperature. What is mass by volume percentage? It is the mass of solute dissolved in 100 ml of solution. It is given by mass by volume percentage equals to mass of solute by volume of solution whole into 100. It is widely used in medicine and pharmacy and it depends on temperature. Now, what is molarity? Molarity is defined as number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 liter of solution. Molarity equals to moles of solute by volume of solution in the liter. Now the unit of molarity will be mole per liter. Suppose 0.25 mole per liter solution of ethanol means that 0.25 mole of ethanol has been dissolved in 1 liter of given solution. it depends on temperature. Now let me give a problem. If the mass of NH4Cl equals to 42.23 gram, molar mass of NH4Cl equals to 53.50 gram per mole. Volume of the solution will be 500 ml. Then what will be the molarity? Now the number of mole of NH4Cl will be the given mass by its molar mass equals to 42.23 gram of NH4Cl by 53.50 gram of NH4Cl, that is 0.7893 mole of NH4Cl. Now the molarity will be 0.7893 mole of NH4Cl by the mass of solution, which is 0.500 liter, equals to 1.579 molarity. The molarity of 1.57 molarity, meaning that a liter of the solution would contain 1.579 moles of NH4Cl. Now, molarity. It represents the concentration regarding moles of solute and the mass of solvent. Molality is defined as the number of moles of the solute dissolved per kilogram of the solvent. Molality equals to moles of solute by the mass of the solution in kg. Now the unit will be molarity equals to mole per kg. It is independent of temperature. If mass of a solution is W1 gram, mass of solute in the solution is W2 gram. Now the molar mass of the solute will be mW. M equals to W2 by mW whole into W1 minus W2 into 10 to the power minus 3 kg. Now, what is normality? It is referred to as the number of gram equivalents of the solute in a solution present in 1 liter of the solution. Normality equals to weight of solute in grams by equivalent mass into volume in liter. It is clearly understood that N equals to W by E into V, and it depends on temperature.